In today's video, we'll be navigating through the Market Watch window on the MetaTrader 4. To open the Market Watch window, click on View in the top toolbar and then select Market Watch. Now, let's get started. Head over to the left side of the MT4 platform to find the Market Watch window, where the available instruments for trading are displayed. To view all available instruments, simply right-click on the Market Watch window and select Show All. You can hover over the name of any instrument for a brief description. At the top of the window, you'll see the server time. Now let's explore the options available when you right-click on an instrument. First up is New Order, which allows us to place trades. Next up in the options available is Chart Window, where you can open a chart of the selected instrument for detailed analysis. Moving down the list, we have Tick Charts and Depth of Market. These tools are great for analyzing the market in real time. In the specifications section, you can view detailed information about the instrument, such as contract size, margin percentage, swap charges, trading hours, and more. Next up, for a cleaner view, you can choose to hide specific instruments. Next, we have the Symbols option, where all instruments are organized into categories like forex, metal, indices, oil, crypto, and stocks, making it easy to find what you're looking for. Simply double-click on any category and click on a specific instrument and refer to the Show or Hide options to add or delete the pair from the Market Watch list. Moving on in the Market Watch, we have Sets. Using this feature, you can save your preferred symbol list and switch between different Market Watch lists with just one click. Next, we have some additional available columns that you can choose to display in the Market Watch window. You can add columns for spreads, high-low values, and time. Moving on, the Auto Arrange automatically arranges the instruments, and the grid displays them in a grid format. Lastly, we have Pop-up Prices, which opens a window with real-time quotes for your selected instruments, helping traders monitor price movements more easily. And that's a quick overview of the Market Watch window on MT4. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.